Mimi naitwa Felix Onyango. I am one among the victims. Safari ilikuwa tu sawa from Nairobi, then kufika Voi, mvua ilikuwa inanyesha, and then dereva alikuwa anajaribu kuovertake vibaya, so ule mwingine alikuwa anakuja, wakapatana, so walikuwa wapatane, wagongane vichwa kwa vichwa, and then huyu dereva wetu akajitoa na huyu pia akamfuata, ndo akagonga hiyo gari yetu. Yeah.
So before that day, was the vehicle in good condition? As in, are there any mechanical problem, let's say from the school heading to Nairobi to Malindi?
Gari ilikuwa tu sawa.
Gari ilikuwa sawa, haikuwa mzee wala
ilikuwa sawa. Tulikuwa tuna speed. Gari ilikuwa tu sawa, so ni vile aliovertake vibaya.
Watirite na kwareganira asichinse chika cha bono iga. Karibu sana tena kwa toko sanga gatia mungana alia agasi ni kokorekana korwa ime ya Orugongo rwa Kenya. Nchasa mwiretane niko nkoro kwa nyepto Dennis kusina mugwancha undangeri kuntu. Niko ndega ngandi tutusange di ngane rimo gosabire asari anyarire kubaka korekana gochakira ekeria amone wiki yiga. Today neriko lya Tuesday se chitariki 19 cy'umutinyo gatatu 2024. Asumwa ko yiga twanyore mu basakano we kigari cye school kibogore cy'abaro kiwa na ndane nabono abande bakure school entangani yanyora abantu banyora mu basakano bwe para is Kapsapet high school wasa school pasi yanyora ta jari irit kole igoro the university pass ya Kenyatta University nikonero yanyorete ajari asa abana ikominomo banyarete ko bagosiria amagimabo. In fact, if we say ase serikali yiga agosase mwako yiga enero ajari ntangani yabeire mbimono anero mono yogosiria abana be school abaringe academic trip ocha ase ensemo gosai county ya Mombasa kibwetari ase ensemo ya Voi chigari ekanya kobage konyo accident wika abana bande komino mogo siria mugimabo abande bakairukinye gitari huna ari tukuri rero na rogati abande bakwirukiwe ne chindege woche county ya Nairobi bayiba chikonyora obogwenya nikona cyo tukwanere egantekemo about this accident chabeire chigwapeni asobunge kera chingaki ime ya Kenya. Ekero accident chigwapeni takatiko kwera ni magega mpaka 2018 on 7th August 2018 the government then was president arenge Uhuru Kenyatta, the deputy was William Samuel Ruto, and the CS for Interior was Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Now, if we remember very well, Chinga the government iya paneti chigari chechi skuru wotarana abana bechi skuru wochakara chinsa 12 cha marogoba weka chinsa 12 cha mampia gari ende onsi ye skuru yakire rangi yero osete yakire rangi nabone university nebe university na Kenya agima neba as long as every students mbancheire the government ya the thing mbancheire ko mukibana at time yamagega ekero chia jari chia chiskuru cha bete chinyinge, and the National Assembly and the Senate discuss on how wakiania accidents chigao korekana chechi skuru chike. And one thing ba tamana kikino wote babuna skuru pass yes skuru and ons as long as ebugoleti abana gosite bugoleti. That is the time then 2018, and it is served in the regime of Uhuru Kenyatta. Gari and ons te yanchere kotara obugolia barokiwa to bugolia to yanchere kotara past 6 p.m. And they said, once if eskuru ye yabwate wose abanafunzi banenge school pass yegaime. Not even the school pass only. Naboko school pass wose school chine nchibwati school pass you can hire. Na moko hire a PSV. Alia sumoikera konya saa 12 chabeire. Okweni kwaya the nearest school, the nearest institution, the nearest police station, mwa drive uchiororo, mwa raragabu, mwa ganyambaka mambi, wakia, mwama kuchakane safari yino, yoko genda, a trip yino. Although charity singo bachororo, ekara wantu wako travel. But ekara mwatu wale problem, asichabira saa 12 chamaro goba. Safari yino bono ikote niniragabu, mori asimo korara, asimo kupaki gari, hakuna safari ilikuwa inaendelea usiku kuanzia saa 12 kuelekea juu. Kama uko na wanafunzi ase school pass hiyo usinaone school pass yo Kenya. This one, the CS for education oyo rengo ororo, the late worked very well with the government, Dr. Freddy Matiang'i and the former president Uhuru Kenyatta. Waka make sure that wakea nichi accident chikokorekana as chipara wetera asaborokiwa, and indeed the accidents nchi akianete wetera these regulations. Now togocha about the accident of the deceased 11 students of a university ya Kenyatta University. When you check at the time the accident occurred, it was the past time with the previous regime that wanafunzi, school pass, university, college, whatever, mbata keiriko tara past 6 p.m. And if the government not take it serious with those regulations, again yesterday, the accident that occurred yesterday, ngocha kotange kayalenge because that time ngocha tabalenge wono we can't continue. If we continue traveling, toweka motu gabu tobwatu asengencho tinse choko talia wanafunzi chawere past time. And now, allow me to speak this. The CS for transport in Kenya, Mr. Honorable Murkomen, in the sector of transport, you as the CS were failing kubeka machika yako regas, kubeka power kuchia saba na nyimbo, babeke chinguru, egere school pass neons eweta past time, 6 p.m. Aba the driver, the school management, or whatever, but once were involved, babuatu, babeku wakambi unerijiko. Because if we can't not obey the law, then we can to study minte binge. Konya bantu wa assume richiko. Many things can happen. Like what happened yesterday. Although the cause of the accident unabaeresa mweigwereire, lakini that time now I got almost 6 somewhere there. Konya ndiri batabanga tinse chimon we can't travel. Tiatubeke tobere somewhere. Mbare to travel. They were to wait mpaka 6 a.m. in the morning watake safari. Andre gocho ajari ngocho kutange kayalengi. The CS for Education, Ezekiel Mochogu, he is failing, auto-failing as the CS for Education. Make more efforts to the school principals and to the vice chancellors about the school. Just reach to with the Senate and the National Assembly that no school pass is supposed to travel past 6 p.m. Wake up 6 a.m. in the morning. As the State for Education, Ekenekuta Keriko make sure that you have acted on this to regulate accident chikaseniko kolekana ime ya Kenya aneno mono chia abanafunzi. Imagine in a span of let's say 4 days, accident of school pass chiwata abanafunzi in different locations and occasions. Accident iberetie school pass chiwata abaoro kiwa happen in a span of 4 days. 4 days. Now, mbaka the 11 students fasemeretiwe famambia kokonya baibuli bande kokonya Kenya bakuri. As the government, I can blame the government on 1-2 issues. That konendiri a government ebeget chinguru aseri chikoriri abegetwe na previous regime. No school bus is supposed to travel saa 12 chamara kwa chigoro na banafunzi kangege ndekinge konyete bona samana chakirite gusarikira niga. On Friday, May 2023, that is last year, almost 1 year, the CS for Education almost came to comment. Agateba. The school pass na bachigo tara. Let me quote the exact words. School buses can travel at night past 10 p.m. but not carrying students. Alo magana chakite ko sarikera. Tiangirorere. Friday, May 2023. The Cess for Transport is on record. Ko antesi school pass ko tara. Tinsenye chabo tukoko chigoro. Lakini njitoweka nchibogoleta wanafunzi kusaba orokiwa aiga no mangana chakirite ko sarikera. Why? Metes akuombinga oyogocha tingo motevitawe inunga wanafunzi mbe yo maiga egalio kambosere. This is for transport in Kenya. Onye ndiri kwantire bintu mune bigo travel this yaletire amadhara mange gocha ase chiskuru or university, like what happened yesterday. As the cess for education and the cess for transport, weka chinguru chinyinge sana kocha asansamu ya transport NTSA. What we kama chiko abaskari wa traffic just what ema chikari abegetu with the previous regime make power make a chinguru ta want ya school pass chiko tarana banafunzi ko 6 p.m. ko chigoro. Now today is on 19th of March 2023. Sorry, 2024. I can assure you, yesterday on Monday, the other day on Sunday. On Sunday, it was on 17th. Yesterday was on 18th. Today is on 19th. And I want to tell you the truth of the matter. I witnessed this school pass na wanafunzi chiko Runyamira Music Festival that started Sunday, traveling from, sitaki kusema the location, but I have the pictures. Yesterday it was at around 10 p.m. I was somewhere in town, Kisi town. Nahande naroche school pass, around 4 school passes. I have pictures asesimianega. If you want the pictures, I can give you the pictures and the videos. Tezi school bus chare gotara. Botukona wanafunzi. That's why I'm saying the government nari out of faith. The government, it doesn't want to use amachiko na maragari abekire eri gotanga chia jari chia wanafunzi gokorekana. Biamona tomerane litkorine nchine to Dennis Kuntu.